Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. This week it's going to be something a little bit different. So for any new viewers, if you've come across this video before any of the other videos on the channel, just to let you know, the channel is about a home renovation that me and my family are doing. We are essentially renovating the house top to bottom, and this is just a diary for ourselves and for anybody else wanting to come along. So yeah, as I said, this week it's a little different. So I've had a crazy week with all sorts going on, away from the renovations, but other stuff, yeah. So work and training and a number of things. So yeah, I thought I'd do something a bit different this week. I keep saying this week, did this in the last video. Can't guarantee they're going to be every week, so I don't know why I keep saying this week. This video we're going to look at work that I've done previously. So it's just going to be a case of a photo slideshow with some bits of videos in there. So again, going back to previous videos that I've discussed, it's a case of I'm pretty much all things DIY. I love doing all things DIY. I'm not a trained professional in any of these areas, but yeah. So I thought this week we'd do something different, and we'd look at everything that I've previously done before starting this journey. Well, I say everything. There's stuff that obviously I've never taken photographs of or done videos of, and there's stuff that I have videoed and photographed and lost. So this is just a bit of a collection of things that I have done so far. So you can expect to see things like garden projects, bits of joinery work, timber work, whatever you want to call it, from a grave renovation. Believe it or not, see my granddad's grave were looking very tired and very neglected, so it was decided as a family we would chip together to restore it. So we did that, but essentially I did the work. I offered, should I say? I did offer. So yeah, I carried out the work. So yeah, that's another thing. And then there's like TV installations, opening up a fireplace, a whole host of things, bits of gardening in there. So yeah, pretty much everything you're going to see is mostly my own work. However, there are bits that I must say that aren't fully my work and that I'll either helping with, or some of it is in addition to works I've done. So yeah, just so that people are aware that, if anyone comes across this and sees little bits of their work where I've been there, or where I've added to their work, please don't think that I'm trying to take credit for your jobs, because I'm not. It's just showing the bits that I've done. So yeah, what we'll do, I will stop waffling in a second. I'll let you have a look at the footage, and then I will catch back up with you at the end. Enjoy. Well, there we have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed that. As I say, it's a bit different. It's not what we've normally been doing, so it's not technically about the house renovation, but it is about all things DIY. Please don't be too harsh with me. As I say, I am by no means an expert, so I hope that I don't get professional trades viewing this and basically pulling my work to pieces, because as I say, it's just DIY projects, you know. It's not, you know, anything that's like to professional standards. So yeah, so there we have it. Another video, a bit different. We will be coming back to the renovations in the next video. So what I am going to do is give you a little sneak peek of some stuff that's going to be up and coming. So just little clues. Not necessarily in the next video or two, but certainly in future videos. So I will leave a little footage of just some bits and pieces to look at that might give you a few clues as to what's to come. See you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.